Hello everyone, welcome to Whiskey Therapy. I'm Jason. Today we're making the Margarita, the cocktail that saved more bad dates, family barbecues, and Tuesday nights than therapy ever could. This drink is basically tequila's apology note for all those shots you took in college. So without further ado, let's get into it. So where did the margarita come from? Nobody knows for sure. Some say it was invented in Mexico in the 30s. Others claim Texas in the 40s. Honestly, after 2 margaritas, everyone in the room will start insisting it was their great Aunt Carol who invented it during the spring break in Cabo. The truth is, who cares? It's delicious, it's boozy, and it's the only history lesson you'll actually want to remember. Let's go through today's ingredient lineup. Here's what you'll need. Blanco Tequila. Pick a good one. If the bottle has a sombrero hat on it, you're legally not allowed to make this drink. Cointreau. That bougie orange liqueur that makes you feel like you can pronounce French words. Freshly squeezed lime juice. Now, not the sad green bottle from your refrigerator. That's battery acid. Use real limes. Agave syrup. It's basically liquid yoga. Now, this is an optional step. You can rim your glass with kosher salt, not table salt. This isn't a science experiment, and definitely not Himalayan pink salt unless you want your margarita to taste like an Instagram influencer's tears. Add all the ingredients to your mixing tin. First, 2 ounces of Blanco Tequila. Next, 3/4 of an ounce of Cointreau. Now add 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. Finally, 1/4 ounce of agave nectar. Add some ice to your tin. Now shake it like you're trying to erase the memory of your last tequila-fueled text message. Double strain into a rocks glass with fresh ice. Finally, garnish with a lime wheel because nothing says fancy like adding a fruit hat to your drink. And there you have it, the margarita. Let's go in for a taste. Cheers, y'all. First, that lime hits you harder than your boss's Monday morning emails. Then the tequila slides in. It's earthy, peppery, slightly judging your life choices. The Cointreau, that's the smooth talker in the group. And the agave, sweet enough to convince you you're a responsible adult. And the salted rim. You basically got a drink that's balanced, refreshing, and somehow salty about your last breakup. That's the margarita, the only cocktail that works at pool parties, weddings, and court hearings. Bash that like button, subscribe for more cocktails, and remember, with margaritas, you don't lose friends, you just make new ones at the bar you woke up in. Thanks for watching, y'all. We'll see you next time. Cheers.